Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to discuss the Encanto birthday party theme. We are providing you more than 100 ideas for Encanto birthday party or the theme. These themes are perfect for an Encanto birthday party for boys and girls of any age, from Encanto birthday party activities for toddler all the way to fun Encanto birthday party activities for adults who love the movie too. Now, question is that how to plan Encanto birthday party. Here are the ideas. Make Encanto birthday invitations bright and colorful. Request Encanto party wear and ask anyone to dress in bright colors or as their favorite Encanto characters. Create the atmosphere with themed Encanto party supplies like movie character cutout and pictures, magic candles, colorful flowers, pinwheels and party hat, butterflies, donkeys, token, and other Colombia-inspired decorations. Include combination birthday party traditions. Have a watch party of the movie while other party activities are also going on. Make some fun we don't talk about Bruno photo props. Do movie-inspired Encanto craft projects for kids like making colorful flowers out of tissue papers. Play an Encanto movie-inspired playlist. Give away Encanto party bags with party favors inspired by the movie. Use festive plates and cups and include combination celebration dishes like arepa, corn, queso, flan, a caramel, and banulis. What is the Encanto movie about? Encanto is a Walt Disney animation story which is animated film. The Encanto movie is about a young girl named Mirabel who lived in Encanto in Colombia. Every person in Encanto except Mirabel has been blessed with a gift unique to each person. When the magic gifts are in danger, Mirabel sets out to save the magic for everyone. What kind of activities can you do at an Encanto birthday party? There are lots of fun things you can do at an Encanto birthday party. You can have a find the magic scavenger hunter where guests have to find items from the movie. Or you can have a themed party and serve Encanto themed food and drinks. You can also play games like tag or hide and seek or set up a craft table where kids can make their own Encanto craft. If you have a birthday party with the theme of Encanto, dress up in an Encanto costumes like the Mirabel dress or Antonio costume. Have a piñata filled with candy and small toys. Play pin the tail on the donkey. Serve Central South American food. Play music from the Encanto soundtrack. Decorate with brightly colored streamers, balloons, and banners. Give out an Encanto party favors such as small toys, candy, or sunglasses in bright colors for Encanto party bag filler. Make a birthday cake or cupcakes decorated with bright colors and flowers. Play games like limbo or tag. Build a flower garden for little ones. For an Encanto coloring pages and Encanto activity pages table, be sure to include blank paper for kids to draw their own Encanto party character. Now, what will the food for Encanto birthday party? Arepa con queso, DIY taco bar, colio, fried plantains, lecona, empanadas, picada or fritanga, Encanto cupcakes or decorated cookies, butterfly and flower cookies, Bruno cake, flan, Colombia cheese fritters. Fun layered drinks with bright colors include infused fruit waters made with fruit from Colombia. Now, there are some ideas for decoration of Encanto birthday party. Colorful streamers in pink, purple, and blue. I also love them for this party themes too. Balloons would love these butterflies balloons. Pinatas, cacti, candles, Encanto photo prop, bubble blower. For Encanto party table decorations, use fun tablecloths like in this video. Use an Encanto photo backdrop for group party photos and selfies. You can engage the kids to make the crafts for Encanto birthday party. Make tissue paper flowers, Encanto DIY candle crafts, paint butterfly crafts, make a Mirabel's magic door, plant your own DIY flower garden. Whatever you choose to do, we are sure your Encanto birthday party will be blast. Hope you have enjoyed this video and get the idea out of it. like it, share it, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.